Here comes the bump. Oh goodness.
You'll soon be able to see the route of stores the water from the streams of the canyon.
We should like close that
water. And for that matter, all of the food, materials, and other provisions that are used in the mountain station have to be transported up on these tram cars. Water from the valley station is pumped into the tanks that attach to the bottom of the cars, which are then emptied at the mountain station. Each car can carry 800 gallons of water. Now, we limit that depending on how many guests we're transporting in each car. We'll be pulling into the valley station in a few minutes. We know that you take with you memories of a great adventure, your visit to a state park that encompasses 13,000 acres of pristine wilderness, 54 miles of hiking trails, and 6 primitive campgrounds. We've covered it all today. Depending on the time of year you visit,
look, those look like glyphs.
You could see one or more
petroglyphs.
Different mammals who call them out at home. From deer mice, California myotis bat, ring-tailed cat, and the bobcat to maybe
Mountain
lion or coyote. Not all there to see. Or you might spot some of the 63 species of birds, such as the golden eagle, Steller's jay, dark-eyed junco, red-tailed hawk, white-headed woodpecker. You get it. There's just too much to be experienced in just one visit to this magnificent mountain.
Look at all these.
Hold on, there's somebody coming on.
We are just 2,000 feet above sea level. Going faster. Going even faster.
Almost to the valley station. And it's time to remind you to be careful going home.
My ears really squeaking.
By the way, if you didn't have a chance to shop for that souvenir while on the mountain, you might want to visit our valley station gift shop. You'll find it in the lobby on your way out. That's
How many mountains are there?
Where you'll find a copy of the CD Nuevo Flamenco by Otmar Liebert that's been playing in the background. We've enjoyed having you as our guest and look forward to